Hello everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my left here, you're looking at one of our brand new styles. This is going to be a 4 glass door flower cooler. 4 glass door flower cooler. Okay, so we got obviously our glass doors. We also have got glass displays on both sides of the unit. Okay, as you can see that as well. Now on the front of the unit we have our controls. We have our temperature control, we have our lighting switch, as well as our system power switch. Okay, now before we get started on more, I want to go ahead and measure the unit for you so you have an idea what the unit measures. For the length, you're looking at a total of 102 inches. This is going to be 102 for the length. For the depth, you're looking at 28 inches. And the overall height for this unit, you're looking at a total of 78 inches high. 78. Okay, the unit does have wheels, casters on the bottom, so you can easily move it around as well. Now let's go ahead and show you the inside. I'll go ahead and open up the door, show you the inside. As you can see, we have shelving already included for this unit as well. You have a total of 4 long shelves, 2 on each section. You also have LED lighting on both corners on the front. Okay, your fans will also be located on the bottom for this unit. Fans are located on the bottom for this refrigerator, flower cooler. Inside measurements, front to back, you're looking at 18. Just the shelf itself, you're looking at 15. Overall length, you're looking at a total of 98 inches for the overall length on the inside. Okay, just for the shelf itself, you're going to be looking at a total of 49 inches. Okay, 49 inches just for the shelf itself. Overall height, you're looking at a total of about 45.5 inches of the overall height. And one other thing, you can adjust these shelves to whatever level you want them to be at. Okay, this is just standard shelf installment right here, but if you want to go ahead and adjust them yourself, you can go ahead and do so as well to whatever level you want them to be at. Now if you follow me to the back, we'll show you the back of this unit where you can locate your plug. It is going to be a standard US plug, runs on 110 volt. Also located is your compressor on the bottom and a drain. There's going to be a drain pan for this unit. And on the very top, you can locate your sticker with all the specs, circuit diagram, and certification. Okay, so all the information is going to be located on the back for this unit. Okay, so this is going to be our 4 glass door flower cooler. Okay, 4 glass door flower cooler. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out with those questions. Thank you for watching.